Okay, so exercise 13.5, exercise 13.5 of chapter 13, that is related to volume. Volume means, anyone can say what is volume? Anyone can say what is volume? Capacity of an object, capacity of its holding, you can take the air, water or anything. Okay, that means in easy words it is capacity. Okay, that is called volume. Now exercise 13.5, the first sums, exercise 13.5, the first sum, a matchbox measure 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of packer containing 12 such boxes? Okay, first of all, length of the matchbox, that equal to, length of the matchbox, that equal to 1. That is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Breadth of the matchbox, that is 2.5 centimeter, and height of the matchbox equal to 1.5 centimeter. Now students, first of all you have to identify the length, breadth and height. These are different. So what type of solid it is? What type of solid it is? Tell me. What type of solid it is? It is cuboid, as length, breadth and height are not same. That's why it is an cuboid. Now then volume of the, tell me the formula of, what is the formula of volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. So L into B into H. Now L means 4 centimeter, B means 2.5 centimeter and it is 1.5 centimeter. So 4.4 into 2.5, that is 10. 10 into 1.5, 10 into 1.5, it will be 15. It will be 15 centimeter cube. 15 centimeter cube. Now one thing, question is, what is the volume of that packer or packet in which 12 such boxes contain? In which 12 such boxes contain? So the volume of that packet, equal to 12 into 15 centimeter cube, that equal to 180 cube. 180 centimeter cube. Got it everyone? Any problem regarding this sum number 1? Regarding the sum number 1, you have any problem? Okay, next question. Next question. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. How must it made hold 380 cubic centimeter of liquid? First of all, so volume here it is given. and length and breadth it is given. Okay, length and breadth, and it is also given that is cuboidal. That is cuboidal. So volume of the vessels, volume given, that is 380 meter cube. 380 meter cube. Volume equal to 380 meter cube. Okay. Now length equal to 10 meter. Length equal to 10 meter, and breadth is also given, that is 8 meter. Breadth is 8 meter. Now one thing, students, we know that it is cuboidal form. It is the cuboidal form. So cuboidal form, it means, what is the formula? Sir, that is question number 2. Yes, it is question number 2. So I think it is not the question number 2. It is, I think it is the question number 3. It is question number 3. Okay. Just check it. Yes, it is question number 3, not 2. Okay. Now, length and breadth, these two are given. Length and breadth, these two are given. Okay. One thing, students, length equal to 10 meter, breadth equal to 8 meter, and it is given that a cuboidal shape. First tell me what is the formula of, so by using, and I am taking, height is not there, so I am taking, let height of that vessel equal to h meter. Height of that vessel equal to h meter. Now using LB and that h, what will be the volume? That is L into, sorry, 10 into 8 into h meter cube. Is it 10 into 8 into h meter cube? Now that is volume, and also volume is given, that is 380 kilometer. Therefore, according to the question, 80 h equal to 380. Okay. Now h equal to 380 by 80. So if you cut it, 38 by 8, I hope you will get 4.2. 4.75, sorry, 4.75. Okay. So what is the height of that cuboidal vessel? That is 4.75. What will be the unit? Tell me quickly. What will be the unit of h? What will be the unit of h? That is 4.75 of what? Meter cube, centimeter square, meter square, and meter. Yes, very good. That is Ronit Datta. That is h meter cube. It is not volume. Only for volume you can use meter cube. It is length, breadth, and height. It is meter. Okay, got it, everyone? Clear? Question number 3 is clear. Now moving on, question number 2. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, and 4 meter. How many liters water can it hold? Okay, first of all, cuboidal water tank length of the, question number 2, length of the water tank, that is 6 meter. Breadth breadth of the water tank 5 meter and height of the water tank equal to 4.5 meter. Here 4.5 meter deep. 4.5 meter deep. It means it will be treated as height. Okay. Therefore, volume equal to, what is the formula of volume? First of all, tell me that is cuboidal shape or cube shape. Cuboidal shapes or cube shape. Tell me quickly. Cuboidal or cube? Cuboidal or cube? Yes, as length, breadth, height are different, so it is cuboidal shapes. Okay. So and volume equal to, we know that L into B into H, that is 6 into 5 into 4.5. So it will be 5 into, that is 30. 30 into 4.5. It is 135, I think. 135 meter cube. 135 meter cube. Okay. 135 meter cube. Now, what is the relation between meter cube and liter? 1 meter cube equal to liter, 1000 liter. Okay. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So, to change into liter, 135 into 1000, that equal to 135 liter. Got it, everyone? It is clear? It is clear? Okay. Next sum, question number 4. Find the cost of digging. Digging means, what do you mean by digging? Find the cost of digging of a cuboidal pit. Pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter wide at the rate of 30 per meter square. Okay. Okay. So question number 4, up to which today I will solve up to question number 4. Okay. So first of all, that pit means, you can take in Bengali, it is called that gorto, that type of meaning. Okay. So length of the pit, that is 8 meter. Breadth of the pit, what is given? That is 6 meter. And depth equal to 3 meter. First of all, here depth will be treated as height. Then what is the 8, 6 and 3? 3 are different. Cube or cuboid? Cube or cuboid? Write it down quickly. It is cuboid. Okay, it is cuboid. Then what is the formula? You know that LBH, L into B into H, that is 8 into 6 into 3 meter cube. 8 into 6 into 3 meter cube. So it will be 144 meter cube. 144 meter cube. Now students, that cost of digging 30 rupees 30 per meter cube. First of all, so cost, total cost equal to rate into volume. Rate into volume. What is the rate per meter cube? That is rupees 30. What is the area? Sorry, volume. That is 144. Oh, sorry. 4320. 4320. Now, what will be the unit of 4320, everyone? What will be the unit of 4320? It is rupees, not meter, because I have written here cost, total cost. Okay. Now, length, breadth, height, feet I have given. So, and the depth as here I have taken it as height. So, volume equal to 144 meter cube, total cost, rate into volume. So, rupees 4320. Anyone have any problem? Anyone have any problem? No, sir. Okay. Then it is very good. So, students, next day I will try to solve. No, I hope question number 567 will be uploaded as a one video. In your class, I will start from the next three sums. For next three sums, one video will be uploaded. Okay.